In order to install your power supply unit, you firstly need to make sure all the relevant cables from the system are pulled through so that it's easy to attach them to the PSU. Then remove the back panel of the system so you can slot the PSU through later. Attach any additional cables to the PSU. Here we're using a PCI-E cable for the graphics card and a SATA cable for the SSD. Pull all the cables through the slot at the back of the case and make sure the PSU sits comfortably at the back of the computer. Reattach the back panel and wire through to the relevant components.